Terima kasih ngin lej yang merek nam taga neka Run for Ayurveda nam taga Arpo tarik menong ready nam taga next week nam taga surah perton apsnya tarik. Terima kasih kejeng merek atai kanton hi 10 kilometer dunahi sedang napok Governor House penkur cepo neya Sharum Negrim. Minta kami merek bah kembang atai UA tip longkum noshwit tuma merek hi ski jajai kat balai bersang hi ban baik kalau ngomong komen teman jerem hi nomor belak sange slam plat jeng merek apan tuduk selabat bon kam hi ala deru. Minta kasih sedang ndrus tangi dangin entarang ndruduna dangin sami nona ieu yang lek sitai yang nang apa kini kue pan mi redo taro yang sampai sibit lapoi sitai sejak kamera tangga update aduk benadap doan pas yang ngeru. Tapi mentang ila roh ne po Raj Bahawan Shillong Corners House turun bar ano nyo iwe ini ada orang sepo tiga jet dikai ni ada no lain dan kedua kur tang nah tementang ipo yang ne nriu beji jemara kasdang ndrus tangi ngi abrung nane nugget can check chwa dan msyar tamara plaro tips sedang nane na yung baik try Governor House. Entah lah jangan sedang ini jaga kompos sợ cái gì có ta dùng là từ về là just đăng rồi. Sang rentar lah nyuduna Sulawan Governor sedang ni play nang isan dorong tu sa sipang lah jam sedang ni nang isan dor tu jam sedang tema ya. Teman pentingan mana sih teh ini ya? Entah lah ada beberapa inang ya mau refreshment dan inap sekapa surprise ngata ngamla ramare kadon kumba cendai kilometer tame ala pendap kumba sampo sapunyo minit suki bam das ngimla ramare arta yo eduna yo kami praktis ba kadang tinggal sekapa surprise entah yang selanjutnya
women's category. The consolation prize. We'll start with the consolation prize first. I'd like to call upon Mr. Sanjay Shia to hand over the medals and certificate to the consolation winners. So in the sixth position, chest number 21 goes to Rebecca Dufaro.
Kare ngamla berarti kan meneros semua ngalat nah mau re
Then chest number 4 goes to Arjun Kementhongni.
Arjun Kementhongni.
Arjun Kementhongni. The one who came the sixth person, she took a timing of 33 minutes, 38.47 seconds.
Mabek re kita. Tapi nak mas 1 minit deh.
33 minutes, 04.71 seconds. And the fourth consolation prize goes to Zakari Kandat, bearing chest number 104. And she took a timing of 41 minutes, 50.64 seconds. Thank you, Mr. Sanjay. I would like to call forward the principal of NAYA. Dr. Vishnu to kindly come forward to hand over the prizes to the female category, the first, second and the third prizes. We'll start from the third, and the third prizes goes to Angelistas Emily, bearing chest number 37. And she clocked a timing of 40 minutes, 49.21 seconds. And the silver goes to Pirnai Kandat, bearing chest number 110. And she clocked a timing of 39 minutes, 44.91 seconds. And the winner in this category goes to Filenza Hansipi, bearing chest number 77. She clocked a timing of 39 minutes, 24.45 seconds. Once again, I request all the medal winners, including the consolation, to kindly come here. All the medal winners, girls, all the medal winners, the first, second, third, up to sixth position, kindly come forward. Right from the consolation to the winners, I would like to call upon the director of NAYA. The sixth position goes to chest number 643, Harbinson Marvin. And he got the timing of Mr. Harbinson will got the timing of 31 minutes, 0.12 seconds. The fifth consolation prize goes to Pirkhat Basuchang, wearing chest number 676. Pirkhat Basuchang. And Mr. Pirkhat, he clocked a timing of 31 minutes, 04 seconds. And the fourth consolation prize goes to Dayo Maitre Sutu, wearing test number 649. And Mr. Dayo will clock a timing of 30 minutes 53 seconds. And the third prize in this category among the male, Wanbok L. Mawang, wearing test number 658. And Mr. Wanbok, he clocked a timing of 30 minutes 35 seconds. Second position in this category goes to Rishan Mehi Renklam, wearing test number 690. And he clocked a timing of 30 minutes 33 seconds. And in the 10K Open category male, the first position goes to Van Kerman L. Mawang, and he clocked a timing of 30.16, 30 minutes and 16 seconds. Once again, I request all the male winners, first, second, third, up to 6 positions, kindly come forward. We'll have a group photo along with our guests.
Đang ada surprise lebih tinggal final saying dak jumara ajaram tangwan sumasad ya. Bye. Bye bye.